So, what is ChatGPT? As name suggests, ChatGPT is a chatbot, meaning you can chat with that particular thing. But is it a human or is it a robot? It's neither. It's just one chatbot or artificial intelligence which will take your input and it will process that thing in its database and it's going to give you relevant answer. That's what ChatGPT is in the end is all about. So how is it different from already existing things like Amazon Alexa, Google, and even Apple has some these kind of artificial intelligence? What's the difference between this and that? The thing is, this particular chatbot actually answers it in such a way that it is similar to how another human being will answer. For example, if you go to it and if you say hello, it will reply back to you saying hello. And if you keep your conversation going, like how are you and all, it will remember what you asked in the beginning and it will answer you based on that. In the end, it's just one human replacement for whatever the question you want to ask. But now let's try to understand how does one AI works. Imagine you are asking one question like hi and it is going to reply with the hello. Now the thing is this particular instance gets recorded in AI's database and whenever next time somebody comes and says hi or hello, it knows that it is going to reply back saying like hello or hi, whatever it might be. That's how it works. As a human, we tend to learn all these things whenever we are a child. Like if we asked one child that does it want food, most of the time a child might reply saying like this, saying like it wants food. Same way, artificial intelligence also gets trained by somebody, maybe some previous users or beta testers, saying whenever you ask this question, you are supposed to answer it in this way. So now imagine lots of you people joined ChatGPT and you are like asking some conversation with it. Whenever you are asking conversation, it will ask you feedback saying the answer was satisfying or not. If you say it was satisfying, then it will record your conversation and it will give similar answer to other people also. If answer is not fine and if you rate it down saying like it's not the right answer, then it records that also and it makes sure that not all the other people gets answered with that question because it's wrong answer for that particular question. So because of this, artificial intelligence gets trained using crowdsource, meaning lots of people try it or lots of people train it. It knows what to reply whenever you ask any question to it. Now the thing is, ChatGPT, is it Sentinel? Sentinel means does it have its own thinking and can it think something and like answer it to you? Actually, it's not at that advanced, meaning it doesn't have its own consciousness and like it doesn't have ability to think something and answer it. It just answers it based on whatever its model is being trained, meaning somewhere some or other people might have asked similar question or some traces of whatever the keyword somebody might have already put into it and which answer was correct. Based on that, it will try to answer your question. So that's how one artificial intelligence work. That's how ChatGPT also works. Now the question is, should you be afraid of losing your job when ChatGPT comes? I see lots of people making videos like you might lose job, Google fired these people, Facebook fired this many people. Now the thing is, all these layoffs going on in tech market at the moment, it has nothing to do with like all this ChatGPT and all. It has its own other different story which we might talk in some other video. But the thing is, AI definitely will take some people's job. But the thing is, whenever some people's job gets taken, doesn't mean that those people who are like now jobless are going to do nothing and sit thinking like my job is gone. They'll try to learn something else and obviously they'll get into something else. For example, now just think a few years back there was some job named like typing. There used to be typewriter and you used to type in it and print used to come out of it, and out of that people used to use it. Nowadays, aren't you using it in your laptop? Like you open up Word file and you click print button on it and immediately print comes out. So does that mean that typewriter who was like typing, he is not doing anything? Probably he might be doing something or he might be busy using the computer. So it just means that job might be gone, but there is always opportunity in this world to make money and to get some or other jobs if you are skillful. But the thing is, this AI chatbot, moreover like losing people's job, this particular chat GPT is more focused on replacing search engine. So now the thing is, what do you do if you need to know something? You go to Google and you type whatever you need, and you keep scrolling up to get certain website, maybe Reddit, maybe Stack Overflow, maybe Quora, or maybe some other website which you might be finding interesting whenever you search online. But now imagine you are going to one chatbot, maybe ChatGPT, or maybe Google's some chatbot, or as currently available in beta testing, this Bing's chatbot that uses ChatGPT's model and all. And imagine you are going to it and you are asking something to it, and it immediately gives you answer saying, see, this is how you need to do. Now, where does this particular thing might be useful? It might be useful if you want to know some details like which is the best restaurant in some town. Usually, Google also used to recommend some things, but it is better experience if you chat with the chatbot. And also, it might be useful for programming. Like you go there and you ask like how to add two function in Python language, and immediately you will get that particular function, like saying like how to add two numbers using Python. This particular use case is wonderful. Like we can expect that this particular thing will get more and more in the future. So Google and already Microsoft implemented it, and all this search engine obviously will have one chatbot integrated with them, which answers you if you wanted to answer, rather like how we used to do before, like searching in the Google and trying to dig the answer. There will be one option where chat GPT or some other artificial intelligence will pick you the answer and it will try to answer it. It might not be right always, but it will try to give most relevant answer whenever it can. Now the thing would be, ChatGPT is available in the market right now. So is it best idea to use it for whatever the work you are doing, maybe freelancing, content writing, or maybe coding? Is it better to use ChatGPT for all these things? First of all, regarding ChatGPT, it's not that much easily accessible. Like you might ask few questions and it might not answer it properly, and also there will be like lots of delay in order to make sure you are able to use it. So because of traffic it's happening, and there will be obviously paid model. It's not like ChatGPT is open source or some other project. It's paid project, it's proprietary, so you have to pay something to the team behind it in order to make sure you can use it seamlessly. So because of this, using ChatGPT is not that much easy, and that's why I recommend you, like it's not always good idea to trust whatever the answer ChatGPT gives, especially if it is something related to work. Imagine you are getting assignment to do something in your college, and you going to ChatGPT and asking for it to do the assignment, and taking that and copy pasting it. Maybe if you are not interested to go to college and like write the assignment like me, then obviously fine, like you might use it, and that's how at least we used to submit our assignment, copy pasting from friends laptop. But the thing is, if you're truly interested to like put in your work, it's always better if you search in your own mind in order to answer something, or even maybe searching in Google also is fine. It's not like I'm telling like don't use ChatGPT. It's like try to avoid using it whenever you can, like whenever you can use your own mind to answer it. For example, this video I could have asked ChatGPT like how to make this video, but the thing is I didn't ask, and all this video came from my own mind. Or did it come from ChatGPT? I don't know. So no guys, I'm kidding. Like this came from my mind only. I wrote how this video needs to be done. The thing is, that happiness of like creating something on my own gives us happiness that okay, like we are building something. But if I go to ChatGPT and ask for it to do something, that's not really amazing way to do anything in the life. Like if everything is answered and everything is set in the life, there is no meaning to live the life. There is no meaning to look forward that okay, I can do this, I can do that. So that's why using ChatGPT should be avoided how much ever you can. But the thing is, eventually we have to use it. We will be forced to use it. And when Google search engine replaces its search page with the one chat page, that time we don't have any other option but to chat with that particular search engine, or let me say that chatbot. We don't have any other option that time. Until then, keep trying, keep using your brain to create content, and do whatever the code you want to do. Use search engine, of course. So if you want to know how you can improve your coding experience, here is one video. These are the skills which is like mostly required for fixing errors and all. So don't forget to watch this video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.